Hi guys, Paolo here. Welcome to the channel. So this time I'm gonna do a product tutorial. So I got this Brothers QL-700. It's a label printer. So I've been restoring watches for some time now, and luckily I've been able to sell some of them. So I need a label printer so I could ship faster, and I don't need to write the tracking number all the time. This one came with two samplers. One is labeled 094M and 024M. It's a white paper and a standard address. So we're gonna learn how to install this in this label printer and how to set it up on your Mac machine. Right. So here we have the label printer. There's a notch in here. So you just need to push it up and you'll get access to the inside. Now for the paper, you would see that there's a, I'm not sure that's on focus, there's a measurement there for the size of this paper, and on the other side there's also this number 024M, so you would know what kind of paper you want. So here inside there's this little groove. This part needs to slide into that groove, and you just need to get the tip of the paper, and there's a slot here. You just feed it and it should show up in here, and that would make sure that it's installed, and then you could close it down. And similarly, I could pull that out. I could get the other paper. So this one's a 62 by 8, and same thing on the other side where this notch is. That's the part that goes in here, and I just need to remove this tape and just feed it in the slot. And according to the guide, it just needs to show up here. Just line it up there and that's totally fine. And now at the back we have the power here and the USB cable. So I'll just plug this USB cable. Then I'll plug this in my... So what I have here is a Mac Mini, and then I have this extension for additional docks. Then I'll plug in the power, and you simply need to turn it on. Now let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to set up the software so you can start printing. Right, so all we need to do is open up the App Store and then search for PTouch, and you would see the Brother PTouch editor. So go ahead and download that. And then it's going to ask for some permission to find devices on the local network. Click on allow, and then there you have it. So this is the software, and it allows you to select a printer. If you're not seeing the QL-700 as a USB here, you need to go back to the printer and then hit this button, the P light button here. Once you do that, the printer should show up here. So there's no drivers to install. It will just show up here once it's connected if you do that P light button on the printer. So the paper that we loaded would depend on what you could print. So there's some templates here that you could use. If I go to this address, you would see that the address label is 38 millimeters by 90. So the paper that we loaded is 62 millimeters. So I could pick this one, and this would work fine on that paper that we loaded. Normally if I click on the print button here, it would just print it normally, but sometimes it would check that the media might not be compatible. So I'm gonna give it a try here. So I just need one copy. It's gonna auto cut, and there's no mirror printing that I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep the default and hit print. this is the one I was saying. So the print media type installed in the printer does not match the type selected in the application. So I'm going to click on check media. And what this is going to do, it's going to try to match it what's on the printer. And I could now go on print again and hit on print. And there you go. So now we have our label. And I can peel it off and start packing and shipping. So that's the tutorial. Hope you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers, bye for now.